Having a nutritious breakfast is essential for getting through the morning with enough energy to be productive and avoid food cravings. Here is my roundup of 10 healthy breakfast smoothies that will help flatten your belly. They are packed with all the protein, fruits, and veggies you need to power your day. Number 1. Kale and Orange Smoothie. This is one of the best flat belly breakfast smoothies if you're looking for something that's bursting with vitamin C, which is great for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Nutritious orange shines bright in this smoothie, and it pairs incredibly with a variety of juicy fruits and succulent vegetables. The drizzle of honey adds an extra dose of sweetness without subjecting your body to artificial sweeteners and processed sugar. While this smoothie may taste light, it will keep you full for hours, so you can maintain your focus and feel good knowing that you chose an energizing breakfast that's good for you. The addition of almond milk adds even more fiber and energy-boosting power. At just 131 calories per serving, you can enjoy this delicious smoothie totally guilt-free. Number 2. Chocolate Meal Replacement Shake. If sweets for breakfast is your jam, like a sugary muffin, try this chocolate meal replacement shake instead. It features a nice balance of complex carbs, fiber, and proteins so you can feel satisfied from the taste to the texture to the way it fills you up all morning long. It's a great introduction for individuals who are skeptical about swapping out breakfast for a dense smoothie since it has such an approachable taste. Number 3. Wake Me Up, Keep Me Going Smoothie. As if the name doesn't say enough, this smoothie is meant to perk you up even on the slowest moving of mornings. You may even find that while you certainly feel more energized as you walk out the door, you keep that momentum going all day long. You can thank the green tea for that. Combined with a mix of fruits and veggies, along with chia seeds, you'll get a healthy dose of protein and fiber from energizing superfoods that will make you wake up and glow. Chia seeds are great because they contain omega-3 fatty acids which help decrease inflammation. Number 4. Skinny Banana Split Protein Smoothie. Can a banana split smoothie really make this list of 10 flat-belly breakfast smoothies? It sure can, when it's packed with proteins, fruits, and dairy alternatives that combine to create something that tastes indulgent but is so healthy for you. This dessert-like smoothie features simple ingredients like strawberries, which fight belly fat because they're packed with polyphenols, powerful natural chemicals that can stop fat from forming. Number 5. Spiced Green Tea Smoothie. Green tea is a metabolism-boosting agent that health experts tout as a weight loss miracle. This smoothie is unlike the others in the sense that it has quite the kick thanks to the cayenne pepper, which boosts the metabolic rate to fight belly fat and combines sensationally with cinnamon, honey, fruit, and Greek yogurt. The result is a creamy, energizing smoothie that will burn fat away all morning long. Number 6. Skinnylicious Protein Smoothie. This Skinnylicious protein smoothie is packed with all the good stuff you can imagine: avocado, baby spinach, kale, and green tea. Green tea is a game changer for banishing belly fat thanks to its compounds called catechins that rev up the metabolism. If you're concerned about all that vegetable talk, don't be. The spinach and kale blend in deliciously with the creamy avocado and boatload of sweetness from the apples and bananas. Number 7. Avocado Pear Smoothie. This is one yummy smoothie that combines sweet and creamy with the fun combination of avocado, pear, Greek yogurt, and raw honey. Smoothies don't have to have a lot of ingredients to make them incredibly delicious and healthy. Sometimes less is more. The avocado pear smoothie makes this list of 10 flat-belly breakfast smoothies because it's rich in healthy fats that are essential for weight loss. Number 8. Better than a shake, green smoothie. This green dream is a blend of some ingredients we've already covered, like banana, grapes, kale, and avocado. It's the addition of ginger root that really gives it a kick. Ginger is a great addition to your morning smoothie, as it is a well-revered fat burner, especially around the belly for a flatter stomach. The avocado adds that smooth, creamy texture that makes for a delightful drink. Number 9. Wild Blueberry, Mint, and Flax Seed Smoothie. This simple and clean smoothie has quite the mix of belly fat-fighting ingredients. The blueberries are rich in resveratrol, which is a nutrient that has beneficial effects on the epigenetic mechanisms that trigger weight gain and fatty liver. Mint is another belly fat fighter, as it can help keep bloating at bay. Number 10. Superfood Strawberry and Goji Berry Smoothie. Rounding out the list of 10 flat-belly breakfast smoothies is this fun one featuring strawberries, honey, and goji berries. It's perfect for someone who just can't get with spinach and kale making it into their morning routine. Goji berries are excellent for weight loss, as they are rich in several nutrients that help to convert food into energy rather than storing it as fat. Losing weight starts with you making healthy decisions at the beginning of each morning to set the tone for the rest of your day, and these delicious smoothies are a great choice. All the recipes along with links to an amazing smoothie diet weight loss program are listed in the video description. Smoothie Pilot is all about sharing delicious but healthy smoothie content that can help you achieve and maintain a flat tummy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other healthy smoothie videos like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.